Good morning, folks. This is Richard Kerr, driving in Cyberjaya in Malaysia. And today I'm not in Kota Kinabalu as usual, as I would normally do, creating videos of Pajero. But today I'm heading to somewhere interesting, not too far from here, is to view a Pajero evolution, which is extremely rare, especially here in Malaysia. And I'm just gonna have a look. Nothing, no other intentions, just gonna have a look and see like how much the guy is selling the vehicle for. Yeah, I'm quite excited because I've never truly seen Pajero evolution before. And as you know, during COVID time or during the pandemic, a lot of people created videos of the Pajero evolution, especially in the US. So that made the vehicle itself extremely popular. It's getting more rare, and as I said, even in Malaysia, it's even rarer. And probably there are less than 20, 30 here in Malaysia. Don't know exactly how many, but yeah, I've seen some people trying to sell them at extremely crazy prices, which doesn't make sense at all. So I have no idea why do they want to put such high prices. But anyway, we're gonna have a look shortly. I'll be there in about 5 to 10 minutes. It's 2.8, eh?
Yeah.
What happened to the old engine?
Actually, I sold it scrap.
Scrap. I see.
Because to keep is no point.
Yeah lah.
I don't want to use the engine.
I see.
And this type of cars, their gravity is high.
Oh.
Very fast is very dangerous. This all must be playing with cruising speed. Then you enjoy it. See?
I see.
No point. You see like the Toyota Hilux, they give extra power. Everything go langgar.
Yeah.
Out of 10 car in the used car, 10 car also accident one.
So powerful.
Because I'm very careful on every sector.
I see.
I take a lot of responsibility.
This aluminium,
Yeah.
oh, so light. I can feel it compared to. You see. Nice. Of course, there is no diesel version of the.
The seats are all
Revolution.
original Recaro seats.
Yep. Can see.
Original Recaro for Revolution.
Yeah. Especially for this lah.
Yeah.
Yes. The original carbon fiber. It's the original Recaro seats. You can see from here. So already replaced with a 2.8, so it's no longer the GDI version. folks. So yeah, just saw the Pajero Evolution. Wow, it's beautiful, amazing, beautiful. Yeah, I've already shown you the footage and whatever I've taken just now. The man is a 4x4 enthusiast. He has so many foil drives, and he said he wanted to sell them because he's now going for camper vans, and he has a bunch of foil drives that he said he wanted to sell. Yeah, really want it, but I don't know. I think it's just gonna put some crazy price to it as well. So anyway, we just leave it as a dream. I don't know, but at least I get to see it and touch it. Of course, it is already impossible to get the Pajero Evolution today.